What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of health drinks. These aren't your average sugary concoctions. We're talking about nutrient-packed powerhouses that can seriously upgrade your health game. Now, if you're anything like me, you're always looking for ways to simplify your routine and maximize your health. That's why I'm super excited to share 3 incredible health drinks that can actually replace your collagen supplements, protein powders, and even your daily multivitamin. That's right, you heard me correctly. 3 drinks to potentially replace a whole cabinet full of supplements. Stick around, because we're about to break down each drink, why they're so beneficial, and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. You don't want to miss this. First up, we have the OG of health drinks, bone broth. You know those big, intimidating bones you see at the butcher shop or maybe even left over from a roast chicken? Well, they're actually a goldmine of nutrients just waiting to be unlocked. Bone broth is made by simmering those bones, along with some veggies and herbs, for an extended period, like 12 to 24 hours. And don't worry, it's actually way easier than it sounds. This long, slow cooking process extracts all the goodness from those bones: collagen, amino acids, minerals, you name it. Let's start with collagen, the protein superstar that keeps our skin plump and youthful, our hair and nails strong, and our joints healthy. As we age, our natural collagen production slows down, which is where bone broth comes in. Think of bone broth as a delicious way to replenish your collagen stores from the inside out. This can lead to all sorts of benefits, like reducing wrinkles, improving skin elasticity, and even easing joint pain. It's like a natural beauty and wellness elixir. But wait, there's more. Bone broth is also a fantastic source of essential amino acids, the building blocks of protein. These amino acids play a crucial role in muscle growth and repair, immune function, and overall energy levels. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your active lifestyle, bone broth is your new best friend. And let's not forget about the minerals. Bone broth is packed with electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which are essential for hydration, nerve function, and muscle recovery. It's like nature's sports drink, minus the added sugars and artificial ingredients. Now, you might be thinking, okay, bone broth sounds amazing, but how do I actually consume it? Well, that's the best part. It's incredibly versatile. You can sip on a warm mug of bone broth like a comforting tea, use it as a base for soups and stews, or even add it to your smoothies for a nutritional boost. Trust me, once you experience the incredible health benefits and savory goodness of bone broth, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Now, for all my plant-powered peeps out there, let's talk about plant-based protein shakes. These bad boys have completely changed the protein game, proving that you don't need animal products to fuel your muscles and support your overall health. Gone are the days of chalky, hard-to-digest protein powders. Plant-based protein shakes have come a long way, with a wide range of delicious flavors and textures to satisfy every palate. Plus, they're packed with essential amino acids, just like their whey protein counterparts. One of the biggest misconceptions about plant-based protein is that it's incomplete, meaning it lacks one or more essential amino acids. While it's true that some plant-based protein sources aren't complete on their own, it's super easy to get all 9 essential amino acids by combining different sources. For example, a plant-based protein shake made with pea protein and brown rice protein provides a complete amino acid profile. It's all about strategic combinations. And the beauty of plant-based protein is that it's often easier to digest than whey protein, making it a great option for people with sensitive stomachs. But the benefits of plant-based protein shakes go far beyond just muscle building. They're also an excellent source of fiber, which is crucial for digestive health, blood sugar control, and maintaining a healthy weight. Plus, many plant-based protein powders are fortified with additional nutrients, like iron, vitamin B12, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are often lacking in vegan and vegetarian diets. It's like a one-stop shop for all your nutritional needs. And let's not forget about the versatility factor. Just like bone broth, plant-based protein shakes can be customized to your liking. Add in your favorite fruits, veggies, nut butter, spices. The possibilities are endless. So whether you're a seasoned vegan, lactose intolerant, or simply looking to explore the world of plant-based nutrition, a plant-based protein shake is a delicious and convenient way to fuel your body from the inside out. Chapter 3. Green Smoothies. Your daily dose of goodness. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about the vibrant world of green smoothies. Now I know what you might be thinking. Green? In my smoothie? But trust me on this one. Green smoothies are like a secret weapon for sneaking in a ton of nutrients, even if you're not a huge fan of vegetables. And no, they don't taste like grass, I promise. The beauty of green smoothies is that they're incredibly customizable. You can use whatever leafy greens you have on hand, like spinach, kale, or romaine lettuce, and then sweeten things up with fruits like berries, bananas, or mangoes. This combination of fruits and veggies creates a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can seriously upgrade your health game. We're talking about a natural boost to your immune system, increased energy levels, improved digestion, and even glowing skin. Think of green smoothies as a delicious way to flood your body with all the good stuff it needs to thrive. And the best part? You can whip up a green smoothie in minutes, making it the perfect breakfast on the go or a refreshing afternoon pick-me-up. Now, I'm all about keeping things real, so I'll admit that green smoothies can take a little getting used to if you're not accustomed to the taste of leafy greens. But here's the trick. Start slow and gradually increase the amount of greens you add. You can also experiment with different flavor combinations to find what you enjoy most. Trust me, once you discover a few go-to green smoothie recipes, you'll actually crave these nutrient-packed powerhouses. And who knows, you might even inspire your friends and family to jump on the green smoothie bandwagon too. After all, there's no better feeling than sharing the gift of health and wellness with the people you care about most. So there you have it, 3 amazing health drinks that can actually replace your collagen supplements, protein powders, and multivitamins. Remember, these drinks are all about simplifying your routine, maximizing your nutrient intake, and feeling your absolute best. Which drink are you most excited to try or incorporate into your daily routine? Let me know in the comments below. I always love hearing from you guys and getting inspired by your health journeys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep crushing it.